What is up, guys? Welcome back for another gaming video on Everything Plays. Today, today's tutorial is gonna be about how to get Nexus mods on Slime Rancher. This is different to the previous mods because this time it's not just two mods. Anyways, so go to your search engine and search up Nexus mods there, and go to the first link that looks like this. Make sure you have an account so you can download the stuff, of course. Then go to the search engine and then search slime run. Oh wait, go to the search slime rancher, enter, and you'll see this srml. That's what you need to download first. So go click it, press files, and then manual download. If you have premium, you can press fast. If you don't, just press slow. It doesn't make a difference. Press 3, 2, 1, download started. Just plop that wherever you want, and then double click those two buttons. So then just find the file and double click it, and then just do what it says. So I pressed any button. Wait. Not in game folder. Oh yeah. So go to your files, and then go to wherever your Slime Rancher save data is. So mine is in my D drive, then my games, and then go down to Slime Rancher, and then you need to put that download into the Slime Rancher folder. So it's here. So just double click that. Games okay, let me just copy my mods so I don't lose anything. Copy. So what you're gonna do, just ignore what I'm doing. So just ignore what I'm doing and just put it in the game data folder, then double click it. Okay, so now it's uninstalled. So now it's installed. There. It's been installed, so now you'll see this srml folder. Double click that. Libs, that doesn't really matter. Go into the mods folder. This will have all your mods. So if you want to find mods, you can go to Slime Rancher. If you're already on this page, you can mods, and then you can find all your mods. So yeah, there's a lot of mods. So if you want any, there they are. I'm gonna find a mod. Let's see. Let's see. What should I do? I'm gonna do item shop. So here's item shop. Files, manual download. And then here it doesn't really matter. I'll just download it normally. Here it's been downloaded, so you'll see the DLL. Just go into the folder, extract, and then it will be here in your downloads folder, item shop. So just go there, go to your mods folder, and just copy it into your mods folder. Now it's there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna now we've got the mod, I'll run Slime Rancher. So just give it a moment to load. And yeah, here, when we pop, that's UMod framework from the other mod. So just let it load, let it load, let it load. Let it do its thing, and then once it's loaded up, you can see everything that's important. So just let it load, give it a moment, just give it one moment, one little moment. Come on, there we go. So we're in a game, you see? Go into mods. Here's all your mods. So you can see all of the mods. I've already got some mods in, but item shop. This is the one that I did. So, so I'm just gonna go in some random, save. Poopy mayonnaise, sure. Play. Bob. Okay, loading in. Everything's fine. Probably just the more mods you have, probably it will be a little bit slower. So just bear in mind that. So just give it a moment. Give it a moment. Let it load up. Come on, load, please. Let it load up. There. Now, yeah, all that doesn't matter. What does matter is that there's an item shop now for my mods. So you can click that. You can look at all of this. You can buy slimes. You can buy food. You can buy resources. You can buy all sorts. So yeah, that's about it. So yeah, that's about it. And what in the world is this white hole slime? That's a shiny white hole slime. Anyways, that'll be the end. Bye.